it. My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent. Then you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve.
15 horas, tá eu e meu camarada aqui, Pinheiro, ali ajeitando a mochila, preparando para a subida. Hoje nós estamos aí na Pedra de Itaocaia, vamos fazer um pernoite aqui em cima. Estamos com a previsão de 3 horas de subida, já que a gente está com cargueira. E a ideia é dormir no pico e tentar pegar aí o nascer do sol. Aí convido você a vir com a gente aí nessa aventura.
My bones telling me it's right. It's so different. But when you take me to the light, it's like a cigarette. And I'm burning at your lips. Start so innocent. Then you kick it up and now I want to show you all what you deserve. And know we got so much to learn. And just like when we said I do.
Estamos aqui no trecho final aqui da trilha. A gente observa que a vegetação vai mudando e ela começa a virar uma vegetação mais rasteira. E a gente percebe que agora começa a ter uma predominância de bambu. Esses bambuzinhos aqui, ó, eles vão fechando o caminho aqui na frente. Significa que nós estamos chegando já quase que no cume.
Take a little look, can we finish it? And then get busy getting back into the thick of it, yeah. Take a second, breathe it in, now out again. I'm still understanding just how you...
Fala aí, Pedro, como é que foi a subida?
Tranquilão, tranquilão, calma, boa. Pensei que fosse pior, mas estamos inteiros.
Tamo junto.
Show de bola. Brasil.
Said I do, and it's only you who could do like that. It's only you who could do like. I like it with you. I like it with you. I like it with you. In the sand that we're in, we ain't got no plans. You, I like it with you. Yeah, I like it with you. When the hours feel melt all night long. I like it when you close all the curtains, you're taking out the trash and the burdens. We got all the time, ain't no worries. I like it when you tell me that you love it, and when you pull the strings on my puppet. Even when it rains, we above it. I like it with you. I know it's on tonight, and you're gonna love it. We've been waiting to move, and I'm going slow. Let's hit the road and make it up as we go. Oh, let's go. Oh, baby, don't change your mind. Let's get in trouble. I want nothing but you.
Pinheiro aí. Cafezinho, bolo, um luxo. Luxo só.
We could live our dream in daylight. It's right, just go with the feeling. Take my hand, we'll ruin ruin our plans, we'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away, feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away, seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Lights will expose the night. We're getting closer. Blonde waves crashing on me. As long as we're gone, it's where we belong. Maybe we're just passing through. Meet me at the hotel room. We've been busy sleeping. We could live our dreaming. Dreams like it's right. Just go with the feeling. Take my hand. We'll ruin our plans. We'll leave it all behind. We gotta leave tonight. Get away, feeling kinda reckless when you're here with me. Baby, say the word and we can disappear. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway. Let's get away, seeing all the damage that we need to leave. And if we make it out, it won't be make believe. We run all the lights to our getaway. Oh, you're my getaway.
Agora a gente está aqui no acampamento
O quê?
com chuva e o clima-tempo disse que não iria chover.
Só o jeito de estar acreditando em cima tempo.
É eu e Pedro aqui agora no osso. Né, Pedro?
Normal, vamos que vamos.
Vamos que vamos. O acampamento agora aumentou o nível. Antes era só frio e vento. Agora nós temos direito à chuva. A noite promete.
till the sun, you're mine, nothing but time to lose, and we'll be running on fumes.
I don't mind being right, even when we got it wrong. I kinda like making it up as we go. And ever since the second grade, when you first caught my eye, I knew you were different in all the ways I like. I won't hide that I'm right, even when we got it wrong. But why you keep playing? We're not the same man. This sort of little light, the common ground is shaking in your eyes. if you could believe me. Let's jump in the deep end. We'll jump in the deep end. Yeah. I said, hey, we don't need to leave all of the differences aside. You and I feel right. I said, maybe we don't need to leave all of our differences aside. 'Cause that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. We don't agree, and that's what makes it right. I'm nothing like you, and you're nothing like me. Opposite sides, and that's what.
Finalizando a trilha Pedra de Itaocaia. 1 hora aí de descida, suave, tranquila, sem desespero. Trilha moderada, boa de se fazer. A vista lá de cima foi fenomenal. E agora a gente se despede aí do lugar. Valeu muito a pena. Eu e meu companheiro aí, meu parceiro Pinheiro. Tamo junto. Selva, montanha.
Or every time that you think it's gone too far, we come a long way, and I know that it's only just begun. 'Cause if you think that loving someone else could ease your mind, let me just remind you, dear, of all the hills we've climbed, and I don't mind being right even when we get it wrong.